The African savanna holds its breath. Wind whispers. Distant roars ripple across the plains. Two lions approach the scarce water, breath heavy, growls low, power in every step. 1,000 hooves drum the earth. Buffalo sense the threat, formation tight, eyes locked. A silent standoff, leopard and hyena. Branches crack, jaws snap. Tension coiled in dust and muscle. Relentless honey badger meets a giant python. Hiss, rattle, grunt, raw defiance in tangled shadows. Speed meets hunger. A cheetah lunges to steal a kill. Wings thrash, bones crack, snarls tear the air. Dusk falls. A pride encircles a bull elephant. Rumbling earth, warning trumpets, growls challenge ancient strength. Night claims the plains. Moonlit silence, distant calls. Nature's eternal battles continue, unseen.